Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
So where is the AC clutch relay now located on a Ford, guys, F-150? We'll demonstrate on 2016 model. You guys have two different fuse boxes, but we'll need to work in the fuse box that's under the hood. And once you pop your hood open, you come behind the car battery. Okay, that's your car battery, and right behind it there, that's the fuse box. You open that cover and you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. And you can see, guys, you have different here fuses, relays that could be really hard to find or really expensive, overpriced. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way, don't waste time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So guys, the relay for the AC clutch that we'll need to check will be in that fuse panel right here. And you can see you have two relays next to each other right here, guys. Okay, two relays next to each other. But if you look on that right one, okay, right here, that's the one for the AC clutch. If your AC does not work or you need to find the fuse for the AC clutch, we have the video on the channel that will teach you which two fuses you need to check as well.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.